Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Sound like you cooling off for a minute? We can see the back real quick, if that's okay. That way we get a minute or two to let it cool. Nice. All right, there you go, and that keeps the space. I like that. And what scars are these?
The CVX.
Okay.
Just little baby 12s.
It works. Looks good. All right. What is this amp rated at?
So it's rated at 63 1 ohm stable.
Okay.
6300 1 ohm stable. Outputs 84 from what they told me, 8400
Okay.
at 13 watt or
All right.
13 volts.
Awesome.
I don't get 13 volts.
No. Do you have a high output alternator?
Nope.
No output alternator yet?
Nope. Stock alternator. Optimal red top battery up front.
Okay.
Battery in the back. Stock head unit.
All right. What's your name? Will. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yes,
What's
sir.
your YouTube?
Jacob Vile.
Jacob Val?
Yes, sir. YouTube Jacob Vile.
I'm about to check that out right
Yeah, man.
now.
I do a daily cardio video every day for the last 4 years.
That is awesome. How's
So
that
you'll
been going?
like it. Oh, good. I like it, man. Yeah, your voltage. So, any plans for upgrades or on the electrical side?
Yeah, we're getting rid of the battery in the back for next season. We're gonna go with the lithium bank. We're getting rid of the box that I currently have. We're getting a custom box put in so I can build an amp rack so the amps aren't right on the box.
Yeah.
Hopefully let them subs breathe a little bit more, and then we're setting up a couple extra fans for airflow.
Okay.
So I've got one right now, but I can't use it because of it's way too loud.
Loud. It is. It gets loud. Yeah, man.
It's really
loud.
loud.
Oh, you got the. Oh, okay. It's like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. smelly. You smell them a little bit.
Yeah, we just dropped down to 11.8 volts.
Really? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not too bad, but it's not healthy all the time.
Yeah. She gets a little warm.
Yeah, thank you for the demo, man. What was your name?
Will.
Will. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yes,
What's
sir.
your YouTube?
Jacob Vile.
Jacob Val?
Yes, sir. YouTube Jacob Vile.
I'm about to check that out right
Yeah, man.
now.
I do a daily cardio video every day for the last 4 years.
That is awesome. How's
So
that
you'll
been going?
like it. Oh, good. I like it, man. Awesome. Appreciate it, Will, man.
All right, what was that?
YouTube Jacob Vile. Everybody subscribe and give Will a like.